All right, Dirty Sports Cards here. We're doing a box of Futera 2016 for Will, man. Good luck. Again, this is the first box of a master case, guys. So this is the first inner that we're starting on. First inner. Oh, right off the bat, look at that. What's up, Maury? What's going on, man? Ronaldo. We got Götze. Götze jersey program. They did win 1-0 versus England. Götze. That is number 13 of 32. Appreciate it, Jay. We'll get that going right now, man. We got gold Memphis Depay. That is numbered 3 of 11. Messi. Next hits. Ooh, nice kit card. Oh, come on. We need some color. Not a kit card. Never mind. It was, what is that? Superstars, man. Pele. Like a booger or something? I don't know what that is. Probably his booger. Pele. That is 14 of 59. 14 of 59. DNA relic, man. DNA. Guess you consider it 2-color on the listing. Oh, man down. We're back. Number to 50, Batistuta. Gabriel, number to 50. That is 5 of 50. Argentinian. Good luck. Another Pele. Can we get some multiple colors on this one? Oh, nice. 2-color patch. Wow. 2-color patch. That is not a booger this time. That is actually white and blue. Pele. Nice. That is numbered 41 of 59. 41 of 59 on the Pele. All right. Let's see if this is Mythicals or 101. Good luck on either. All right, good luck, man. See what you got here. It is a 1-on-1. Good luck, man. It is a 1-on-1 with Mem. Let's see who you got. Oh, nice. Mario Kempis. Very nice. Mario Kempis 101. Just a little jersey there, but nice jersey, man. Kempis 101. Jersey, autograph. There you go, Will. Nice little box, man. Appreciate it, dude.